Alright guys, today we're going to be doing the power steering lines on my E36, and we also got this nice power steering reservoir that Bevan C sent us. Let's get into it. First we're going to remove the air box since the power steering reservoir is actually down here. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this boot, give us a little more room. Hose connected to the boot too. Alright, now we're gonna go down below, loosen the hose and drain the fluid. Alright, so 22 millimeter. Oh. It's supposed to be red, it's like gray. Now we're going to loosen the hose clamps on the reservoir. There's two 10 mils. Now I got to disconnect the lines from the steering rack. Line on the power steering pump. Alright, and then pull the other hose out. Alright, now I gotta get the reservoir out. I'm gonna get a ladder and pull it out from the top. Now I gotta clean it up a bit, put all the new lines back in. Might need a little bit longer bolt. This reservoir is a little bit bigger, but once we get all the lines situated and everything, then we can tighten everything down. I want to clean the areas. The new banjo bolt washers. The banjo bolts are 19 millimeter, torque to 35 newton meters. Now for this one, I put a pry bar so the line doesn't move when you torque it. Alright, best way to do this is take the reservoir out and just put it on, and then you can slide the reservoir with the line. You definitely want to kind of hand tighten everything, and then once everything's in position, tighten it so it's in the right spot. And these are torqued to 40 newton meters. Next line going in. Put those two 10 mils in. Kind of put them in by hand. I'm going to torque down the banjo bolt. This one is also 40 newton meters. Two 10 mils. Everything down here should be good and torqued. Now let's head back up there, fill it with fluid, and wrap it up. Now what I like to do is just get the wheels off the ground and just move it left to right, and it bleeds most of the air out. Now I can add a little bit more fluid. Now once you start up, the pump's gonna still suck up some of the coolant. You'll just have to add a little bit more. Alright guys, I got the air box back in. Gonna double check the fluid after I started. Thanks guys for watching. Please give it a like. Thank you Bevan C for the power steering reservoir. Check their website out. I'm gonna link a coupon code. If you like it, subscribe. See you on the next one.